love your stave sound effects.
Yeah. Poop. That's exactly what they do. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's exactly how it works.
Anyway.
All right. So regardless.
So we're both agreeing dog will hunt. I probably liked it slightly more overall than you did. Is that where we are?
Yeah.
All right.
And we're not telling you not to go buy it because you should do what you want to do. Someone said, I want to drink the bourbon. Do what you, I don't care. I'm not an influencer. We're just telling you what we think.